Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Cyber Crypto. I am here with a new token video review. So if you new to my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Friends, let me remind you first that it is not a financial advice but just a review on a token. So it is entirely your choice for investing. Friends, let me tell you today what am I going to review, which token will it be. So it is Graviton Zero. As you can see on the screen, it is a multi-chain play to earn NFT game in a War2 universe. Only you have the part to stem the flow of grave. So it's a battle for survival. Let me tell you about the upcoming events. Their upcoming NFT launch with the Babylon and more INOI launch pads to be announced soon. A great moment of excitement. They are available through a PancakeSwap and on MEXC, a great website and very interesting. So friends, their common epic and legendary plot on land will be released today. You can see on the screen in a common cosmic turn apart by conflict, the Miami solar system has been fought for by two groups. In the known cosmic, the army is only site where you may mine the grave. There would be no spaceflight, no ability to cross their base in uninjured, in untouchable without grave. Though the grave has been under the rule of Influ, United Alliance of Terror for nearly 1,000 years. But its iron-fisted rip over Niamey is enduring with each passing day. The barrier between their reality and the void gets thinner with each wild strike. Therefore, I would definitely suggest you guys to do a fiction, join the conflict and fight for you control of the planet grave. Make an impression. Right now, I would definitely tell you to check out their official Graviton Zero trailer and be sure to subscribe for more details. You can find the trailer on their website homepage. It is here. You can see on my screen. Yes, which is soon to be released. So friends, let me tell you about their roadmap. Their website is fully loaded with all details which you might need. So their roadmap, which is consists of 6 phases, you can see here what their future plans are, what they have achieved so far. Everything is quite detailed. So you might not have any question about it because it is quite detailed. Going back and looking at their minting. So exploring the minting tab, they are thrilled to launch the Genesis 1 NFT collection on IUNO platforms. They have teamed up with the Babylon for their first INO release on today. And for more details, you need to keep on following them. And with BUSD, you will be able to mint their NFT collection, and the prices they have given on their website are for the common one is $250, for the rare one $400, epic 1000, and for legendary it's $4,000. They will be providing additional information as they get closer to the launch, so please stay tuned and stay up to date by following all of their social media outlets listed at the bottom of this page. So moving on to the staking, what they say about this staking, pooling and farming for players and token holders. The Graviton Zero environment offers a variety of incentive mechanics. How through a DAO they will be implementing a sophisticated system based on some day 5 principles such as staking for liquidity provision, NFTs, a Grave token staking, and game platform governance. Grave token holders will be able to provide liquidity or participate in a revolutionary internal staking system in exchange for additional tokens, NFTs, and rewards. So gaming demo is coming soon, for which I am eagerly waiting basically. So by looking at their trailer only and damn convenience, so I will tell you a bit more about their tokenomics, which you can find on their tab of documents here. So just go down there and you will be able to see their tokenomics. So you can see on the screen the tokenomics are of a great appeal for the investors to invest, as 4% is going to the seeding, 7% of the private sale, 3% of the strategic partners, 20% to marketing, a huge part of it indeed, 15% to the advisory team to keep it risk-free, 15% for the gaming development to make it flawless and bug-free, and 35.3% of its ecosystem P2E. So friends, I will be sharing all the links with you in description to keep you confusion free. So keep your eyes on description for all the links. So don't worry about it. So you can buy it on PancakeSwap. So go to the PancakeSwap and change it to Grave tokens and connect your wallet. So don't forget to buy it, hold it, earn it, and buy it again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.